Dear student, this is the question. If 7 times the 7 term of an AP is equal to 11 term, then what will be its 18th term? Okay? According to the question, according to the question, 7 times 7 term, 7 into T7, मतलब टर्म 7 is equal to 11 term. Eleven times its 11 term. If the 7 time of 7 term of AP is equal to the 11th time, the 11th time, the 11th term, then what will be, then what will be, what will be 18th term? Listen, if 7 times the 7th term of an AP is equal to the 11th time the 11th term, then what will be its 18th term? According to answer, 7 times T7 equal to 11 times T11, right? Then 7, Tn का फॉर्मूला a plus n, 7 minus 1 into d equal to 11 into a plus 11 minus 1 into d. Tn टर्म का फॉर्मूला लगा दिए. ओके, नाउ 7 into 8 plus 6d equal to 11 into 8 plus 10d. 11 into 8 plus 10d और 7a plus 42d equal to 11a plus 110d. Right? Now 7a minus 11a plus 42d minus 110d, 110d equal to 0, equal to 0. Now minus 4a, minus 4a minus 4a minus a 68 इक्वल टू 0. अब देखिए -4 से इंटू कर दीजिए, डिवाइड कर दीजिए, तब हो जाएगा 8 प्लस 1, यहाँ डी होगा 1, 17b इक्वल टू 0. अब देखो to लिख दे a plus 18 minus 1 that is 17 हो जाएगा. It becomes 0. अब ये किसका फॉर्मूला हो गया? 18 का. Therefore T18 term is 0. 18 term is 0. Write down please. Board is clear. Write down please. This is an important question. Okay. T 7 time of 7 term equal to 11 time of 11 term. 77 का फॉर्मूला बैठा दिए, T11 का फॉर्मूला बैठा दिए. उसके बाद we will simplify it. Then we can get a plus 17b equal to 0. Now we can write 17b that is equal to 18 minus 1. A plus n minus 1 into b equal to 0. Therefore T18 term is 0. What will be the 18 term? T18 term will be 0. Okay? Finish. Rishabh, Sushant, लिखिए. Completed. Dear student, completed. Hello. May I have the board? May I have the board? Hello. Okay. Now next question. आप इसका वीडियो भी देखिएगा. Now next question is find the middle term 230, 205, 197, 37. What will be the middle term of the given question? Find the middle term of the AP 213, 205, 197 up to 37. Here, this one is first term, second term, third term, dot. Now answer A, that is first term is 213. D, that is T2 minus T1 equal to 205 minus 213, that is minus 8. Minus 8. Now we can find here, write first term and common difference. Now let the first above AP contains nth term, then Tn equal to 37. Last term is given 37, therefore Tn equal to 37. Now we will apply the formula. A plus n minus 1 into D equal to 37. A is 200, 213 plus n minus 1 is D is minus 8, 37, 213 plus minus 18 plus 8 equal to 37, or minus 18 equal to 37 minus 221, then minus 18 equal to minus 4. Then 11, 4, again 11, 8, 184, minus cancel, n equal to 184 divided by 8, 8 puja, 23, n equal to 23, ये odd है, 23 is odd. Thus the given AP contains, thus the given AP contains 23 terms. Given AP contains 23 terms. इतना लिख लो, इसके बाद हम लिखवाएंगे। Thus the given term of AP contains (23) terms. Completed. Hello. Hello. First you write down, then you will have to find the 11th term, middle term. May I love this portion? Dear student? Okay. Therefore, its middle term equal to, therefore, its middle term equal to 1 by odd है 23 plus 1th term, then 24 by 2th term, 12th term, 12। अब T12 का फॉर्मूला लगाइए, T12 equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, where A is 213 plus N, 12 minus 1, and D is minus 8. Then 213 minus 11 into 8. 11 into 8. Therefore, now T12 230 minus 125 will be the middle term. 125 has show the middle term. So the middle term is 125. So the middle term is 125. Okay, any doubt, anyone? Then please write down. Any doubt? Write down. Completed? Hello. May I drop the board? Dearest, may I drop? Okay, okay, very good. Very good boy. Listen, question is that find the middle term of the AP. APs are given 230, 205, 197, dot 37. Middle term, what will be the middle term? Then A is 213, D will be minus 8. Now Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, and Tn is given 37. Last term that is a Tn. अब Tn इक्वल टू 37 करके कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो n इक्वल टू आ जाएगा 23. Therefore middle term will be half plus 23 plus 1h term. ऑड का ये फॉर्मूला होता है, मीन मीडियन मॉड में हम लोग पढ़े हैं. ऑड के लिए हाफ इंटू n प्लस 1h टर्म. अब देखिए इसको सिंप्लीफाई किए तो 12 टर्म. T12 को लिखे a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी. A is 213, D is 12 minus 1, n is 12 minus 1 into D is minus 8. सिंप्लीफाई किए तो Tn का वैल्यू आ गया, T12 का वैल्यू आया 125. So the middle term of this AP is 125. The middle term of this AP is 125. Okay? Dear student, any doubt? Now may I drop the board? Hello. Okay. Now, next question is also important. Question is, find the 11th term from the end. Find the 11th term from the end. Find the 11th term from the end of the AP. Of the AP क्या है? 10, 7, 4, 10, 7, 4 dot minus 62. Minus 62. Okay. अब इसमें देखिए आंसर A इक्वल टू 10, B इक्वल टू 7 minus 10, it becomes minus 3, then B equal to minus 3. L is last term. Therefore L equal to minus 62. L equal to minus 62. And 11 term. And n equal to 11. Therefore, 11th term from the end equal to L minus L, where L is the last term. N minus 1 into D. अब इस पर बैठाइए L क्या है? -62 minus N is 11 minus 1. D is -3. D is -3. Then -62 minus plus 30. That is -32. 11 term will be -32. Hence, the 11th term is -32. 11th term is -32. Write down. 11th term is -32. Okay. 11th term is -32. Any doubt anyone? ये फॉर्मूला होता है फ्रॉम द लास्ट का. Okay. May I rub the board? Hello. Other student is not speaking. Write down this is a board model question. Other student, please tell me. May I rub the board? Again, this is an important question. How many multiple of 4? How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250. 10 and 250 मतलब 10 से लेकर 250 के बीच में कितने एपीज होंगे? हाउ मेनी multiple of 4. मतलब what will be n? Now answer. First term will be 12. That is 12, which is lie between these. Multiple 16, 12, 4, 20, dot dot 250. अब देखो 250 से जस्ट पहले 250, 4, 6, 20, 24, 1 and 10, 2, then this 8, 2 minus 248. Last term will be 248. 248. अब ये देखो 12 से लेकर 248 lie between 10 to 220. From 12 to 248 is these numbers are lie between 10 to 250. Any doubt? Then which is multiple of 4? Here A equal to 12, D equal to 16 minus 12, that is 4. D equal to 4. And Tn 248. Tn equal to 248. Now, according to formula, we will write according to formula A plus n minus 1 into b equal to Tn. A is 12, n हमको पता करना है, and d 4 equal to 248. 12 plus 4n minus 4 equal to 248, और 4n equal to 248 minus 8, that is 200. 4n equal to 248. Therefore, n equal to 248 by 4. 16. Answer is, therefore 60 term will be the answer. 60 term will lie. So 60 terms will lie between 10 to 250. A9. This is the answer. 60 term will be from 10 to 250, whose multiple is 4. Whose multiple is 4. Okay? Any doubt, anyone? It means how many, मेन बात ये ध्यान देना है कि 10 से और 250 के बीच में होना चाहिए, तो इससे जस्ट 12 हो जाएगा फर्स्ट टर्म, क्योंकि 12 जो है 4 से का मल्टीप्लाई है, अगर मल्टीप्लाई है तो वो डिवाइड भी होगा 12, और लास्ट इज 250, इससे एक्सीड नहीं करना, इससे पहले ही रहना है। 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 248 विल बी द last number which is multiple of 4 and which lie between 10 to 250. 10 to 250. Write down. Okay. Okay. Dear student, this is an important question. Okay. Thank you.